Welcome to the Pearson Skilling Asset Manager. Let's walk through how to return vouchers and resend notifications. Returning a single unused voucher is easy. Just find it in your product inventory, click the ellipsis and hit Return. To return multiple vouchers at a time, go to the Bulk Return tab. Check the correct ones and return them all with a click. They'll immediately show up in the Returned Vouchers tab. You can also roll back any unassigned vouchers. Either select an individual voucher or do a bulk rollback. Just search by partner and sub-admin, as well as the order number, and roll back every applicable row. If you need to resend any end-user notifications, you can also do so in your inventory. Search for the notifications you're looking for and resend the emails, just like that. Ready, set, skill with the Skilling Asset Manager from Pearson.